So we gift up a little bit. This BLCM. See these IPO stocks? When they come out, you got to almost use 1-minute charts because, you know, since it's an IPO, you don't have that much price action. So you can see like why we bought it. We just had that break over the flag. And so now you're getting kind of the flag break, you know, into it. So it looks pretty good. IPO stocks, usually that first day you get all sorts of fun stuff. And then, you know, we just added this for us. So Russ, right, we had this awesome play in the morning. You know, this is like, you know, our favorite type of play here. This is what we call the 1, 2, 3 pattern, where, you know, you get a stock. You get a stock that gaps down over here, you know, like this one did. See that? You gap down, you do the 1, 2, then you pull back, you get the higher low. So then when you take out your first level of resistance, you get the squeeze. So we caught a lot of action on the squeeze. Now the stock has cratered $4, and see where it holds the VWAP and you start to break back over, you can essentially get back into this thing. You can get back into this thing and then use those lows as a measure. So right now we just have, right now we just got 200 shares. So I got 200 shares of this at 32.36. We'll add more as we get to it, and then you know I still got 2,500 shares left of MBT. You know, a little bit of a slow day. I traded actually fairly good. The one thing that I did make a mistake on, I was telling everybody in the morning, was let's not trade the open because the gap in the market was so high that, you know, typically after that you always get this kind of pullback. And I broke my rule, and you know I entered this BCI way too high, thinking, you know, so I chased it a little bit, and so I lost $1,000 on that sucker. So that kind of screwed up the day a little bit. So, you know, now we got a little bit of profit in this, Russ. So we want to, you know, take a few out, sell out a few, and we'll keep adding on dips and stuff like that. Guys, I sold 100 shares of Russ at 33.07. Oh, shoot. Sorry, Danny. $33.07. And we'll keep riding this thing and see what's going on here. You know, other than that, the two things that I'm really watching is, you know, we're watching Russ and then all these oil stocks. So keep this LNG on watch. You know, oil looks to me like it's probably looking like a fader. See, even with all the oil stocks going the last couple of days, this one has not. USO itself hasn't really made a move. So a lot of these oil stocks may flush. You know, we had a really nice short in SM today, you know, where we caught this flush. And then we also had a super nice short in LNCL. We hit this thing at, you know, 1264. And both these look a little bit flushy again. You can see the run from 8 to 13, so you're kind of retracing some of it. So, you know, that's it. But the big hope is, of course, I think this is probably the best setup on here. You can see this monster dead cat bounce in MBT. And so now if it can break and hold under this 8 level, I think that we're going to get some flush. Now, the thing with, you know, MBTs, remember that, you know, this is, since it's a Russian stock, if this Russ is going up, this one hopefully will go down. So that's it for now, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.